Hello, Adam Kopacz, Excel lover from Poland. Sometimes we need to count all cells containing certain text. In our example, it's product name. For example, X. We want count X. So we want count all cells that contains X. So if X are at the beginning of basket, at the beginning of text, in the middle of text, at the end of text, and even if in the basket there are only X, we want to count all those situations. So how we can do it? It's simple task in Excel because we have COUNTIF function, and COUNTIF function can use wildcards. So we are starting with range, our basket, F4 to lock it, and then criteria. If we'll be counting just cells with X, only X, we can refer the to cell, but we want to count all cells containing X, so we have to add wildcard asterisk that can replace any number of characters, even empty text string. So if there is empty text string, it means that X can be at the beginning of text. So asterisk ampersand to combine with X, and our X can be also at the end of text or in the middle of text, so we have to add one more asterisk. So ampersand and in double quotes asterisk, and it's our whole criteria. So our whole criteria looks like asterisk X asterisk. And now we can close our formula and copy it down, and we count each cell contains corresponding product.